Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix you need the official WhatsApp to log in on iPhone. Follow the instructions carefully. First, check your internet connection. Go to settings, then general, then scroll down and press VPN and device management. Now disconnect VPN if connected. Then go to iPhone storage. Then scroll down until you find WhatsApp application. Press it, then delete WhatsApp, then go to App Store, then type WhatsApp, then download it again. Now restart your device. If your problem persists, then go to browser, type WhatsApp support, then click contact WhatsApp, then click contact us, then now fill all the information that you're required. Now write down your problem and submit it. After this, WhatsApp team will fix your issue as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.